Have you ever imagined that in just a few minutes, people could lose their life savings, companies could go bankrupt, and traders could lose billions of dollars? Stay with us until the end because this true story will completely change the way you think about money. And if you enjoy learning about the biggest financial events in history, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss our next amazing story. On a cold winter morning, January 15, 2015, everything looked normal. Banks were open, traders were sitting in front of their computer screens, and millions of people believed it would be just another ordinary day. Nobody knew that within a few moments, one decision would shake the entire financial world. The Swiss National Bank knew that if the Swiss franc became even stronger, many businesses could suffer badly. Factories might close, workers could lose their jobs, and the country's economy might slow down. The bank needed to do something before the situation became worse. In September 2011, the Swiss National Bank made an extraordinary promise. It announced that €1 would never be worth less than 1.20 Swiss francs. If the market tried to push the franc higher, the bank would print money and buy euros to protect that level. Investors believed this promise because central banks usually keep their word. For more than 3 years, everything seemed stable. Traders built their strategies around this promise. Companies planned their future using this exchange rate. Banks trusted it. Investors trusted it. Even ordinary people believed nothing would change. But behind the scenes, pressure was growing every single day. The European Central Bank was preparing to print massive amounts of money to support the European economy. Many experts believed that the euro would become much weaker in the coming months. This meant the Swiss National Bank would have to spend enormous amounts of money just to keep defending the 1.20 limit. Every day, the cost of protecting the Swiss franc became bigger. The bank was buying huge amounts of euros and taking greater risks. Nobody outside the bank knew how long this could continue. Then came the morning of January 15, 2015. Without any warning, without giving investors time to prepare, the Swiss National Bank made one shocking announcement. It said it was removing the exchange rate limit immediately. The financial world froze for a second. The announcement spread across the world in seconds. Traders looked at their screens in disbelief. Many thought there had been a technical problem because the price was moving too fast to be real. But this was not a computer error. It was happening live. The Swiss franc exploded in value. In just a few minutes, it became almost 30% stronger against the euro before settling back. For a currency that normally moves only a tiny amount in a day, this was almost impossible. It was one of the biggest and fastest moves ever seen in modern financial history. People who had borrowed Swiss francs suddenly found themselves in serious trouble. Imagine waking up one morning and finding that your loan had become much more expensive without you borrowing even $1 extra. That is exactly what happened to thousands of families in countries like Poland, Hungary, and Croatia. Many people had taken home loans in Swiss francs because the interest rates were lower than local banks offered. It seemed like a smart choice at the time. But after the shock, their monthly payments increased overnight. Families who were already working hard to pay their bills suddenly faced a future filled with fear and uncertainty.